Welcome back to our channel, Foodies. Today, we have a delightful Italian recipe that combines the goodness of beans and tuna. It's time to uncover some unknown facts about the classic Italian dish, fagioli e tonno. So, let's get started. Fact number 1. Fagioli e tonno, which translates to beans and tuna, is a popular and traditional dish from the coastal regions of Italy, particularly in the southern part of the country. It's a dish that beautifully blends flavors and textures, creating a harmonious and satisfying meal. Fact number 2. The combination of beans and tuna may seem unusual to some, but it's a fantastic pairing that dates back centuries. The marriage of these ingredients creates a unique flavor profile that's both hearty and refreshing. Fact number 3. Fagioli e tonno is incredibly versatile. While the classic recipe typically features cannellini beans and canned tuna, you can experiment with different types of beans, such as borlotti or chickpeas. And if you prefer fresh tuna, go ahead and use that instead. Fact number 4. This dish is not only delicious but also nutritious. Beans are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals, while tuna provides a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. It's a powerhouse of nutrients in a single dish. Fact number 5. Fagioli e tonno is a perfect representation of the Mediterranean diet, known for its health benefits. It's a simple and wholesome dish that emphasizes the use of fresh ingredients, olive oil, and herbs, creating a flavorful and balanced meal. Camera pans to host plating the finished dish. Fact number 6. Fagioli e tonno is not only enjoyed as a main course but also as a salad or a side dish. It's often served cold or at room temperature, making it an excellent option for picnics, potlucks, and outdoor gatherings during the warmer months. Fact number 7. The simplicity of fagioli e tonno is what makes it truly remarkable. It's a dish that highlights the beauty of minimalism in Italian cuisine, letting the natural flavors shine through. Plus, it's incredibly easy to prepare, even for beginner cooks. That's a wrap, foodies! We hope you enjoyed these unknown facts about fagioli e tonno. Give this recipe a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, buon appetito!